How to disconnect Hunting Sniper from Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're playing Hunting Sniper and want to disconnect your game from Facebook, then first of all open the Hunting Sniper app on your device. From the main homepage of Hunting Sniper, go ahead and tap the menu icon at the top right corner. From the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside Settings, go ahead and tap on Secure your account, and you'll see the disconnect from Facebook option if you've previously connected via Facebook. Tap on it and click on disconnect in the pop-up, and then you'll see that the Facebook account is no longer connected, but it is recommended that you log in with any of these options displayed on the screen so that you don't lose your progress. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.